What to do if you've been blackmailed online. Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll be covering a very serious topic, blackmail. If you or someone you know is experiencing it, this video will walk you through what steps to take and where to find help. Before we begin, remember, if you're facing blackmail or extortion on Instagram, Snapchat, WhatsApp, or other platforms, this information is for you. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. We're here to guide you. Explore our videos for more practical advice and tips on protecting yourself. You'll find plenty of useful content to help you deal with difficult situations like this. Now, let's dive into the topic. What to do after being blackmailed online? Being blackmailed can be frightening and isolating, but it's important to remember you are not alone. Many people face this crime, and here are the first steps you should take. Step 1. Do not give in to demands. Paying money or complying will only encourage more threats. Step 2. Keep records. Save every message, text, or email. This evidence is essential for investigators. Step 3. Contact law enforcement. Report the crime to your local police or a cybercrime unit. They know how to handle these cases. Step 4. Seek both legal and emotional support. Organizations like the National Crime Agency can provide guidance, and online forums can connect you with others who've been through similar experiences. The path to resilience. It's also important to focus on rebuilding your confidence. Many victims have gone through blackmail and emerged stronger. Learning from their stories can give you hope that you can recover too. Lean on professionals as well as friends and family for support. Taking back control of your life is a key step toward healing, and you can absolutely achieve it. How we can help. If you're facing blackmail, professional help makes a difference. At Blackmail Helpline, we offer guidance tailored to your case. Here's what we do. Our experts begin with detailed questions about your situation. Then, we take control of the communication platform where the blackmail occurred, so you no longer have to deal with it directly. Using advanced technology such as IP tracking, we locate the blackmailer and collect evidence. Once we've gathered the necessary information, we send a formal letter demanding that the blackmailer stop and permanently delete any compromising material. With a proven 95% success rate, our team consistently achieves strong results. Whether you need rapid support with our ASAP service, which delivers a report within 24 hours, or a more in-depth 30-day service for a comprehensive investigation, we have solutions to meet different needs and budgets. Afterward, we can also provide advice on staying safe and spotting suspicious activity in the future. Conclusion. To conclude, remember, you can overcome blackmail. You can take back control and access the right support. Thank you for watching and for taking this first step toward empowerment. If you need help, call 888-634-1535 or reach out at blackmailhelpline.com. We're available 24/7. I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe.
Helpful links and resources. To learn more, visit our website at blackmailhelpline.com. The link is in the description below. Feel free to leave a comment with your questions or call us directly at 888-634-1535. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you'd like us to cover more cases like this. See you in the next video.